quickly pick some groceries before I start my day. I've been gaining quite a few pounds lately, like 5 kilos. I just want to get back into the habit of making my own food. Man, like groceries are so expensive these days. Like I bought some chicken and mashed potato yesterday for dinner, and it was like 16 bucks. Like, I could pay less just eating it. I guess you can eat more healthy, and that's my goal right now. Bring out the eggs. I've been drinking cold brew more often now because I'm trying to do intermittent fasting, and it really helps to reduce my appetite. Also, I feel more refreshing just having this in the morning, especially in summer. So I've restarted my YouTube channel for like 3 months now, and I promised myself to do a quarterly check-in, so here we go. I'm actually quite glad that I did it, mainly because my current job is not really fulfilling my creative needs. I really needed a creative outlet. Like sometimes when I watch a YouTube video and I see spark in my head that makes me really want to share it, and content creation seems to be the best way to give that sense of accomplishment or satisfaction for me. Also to me, I think one of the core skills for YouTube is storytelling, and this does not limit to YouTube. I think this is a very important life skills to have, whether you're looking for a job or starting a business or connecting with other people. If you know how to create a narrative, it will help you in all different aspects of life. And I'm not sure if you ever had that feeling. It's like when you thought you knew a topic, but the more and more you learn about it, you realize you barely know anything. And this is exactly how I feel about YouTube right now. It's called the 4 stages of competence. I'm pretty certain that I'm in that conscious incompetence zone right now. Like I know I'm improving my videos slowly, but I still suck. And there's basically nothing that you can do other than putting in the reps. This humble realization really reminds me to keep that beginner mindset so I can learn as much as possible. Also be open to anything. Don't be scared, just go for it and try it out. I'm gonna eat that. I feel like I just haven't been able to eat in peace since we got Billy. Like, is this the same for every cat owner? This is one of the meals that I got from ChatGPT. Like, I'm super lazy, so something like this is super easy to do, and I enjoy eating, so it's great. So my main goal for the last 3 months was to create 1 video a week. I failed to do. I was kind of annoyed at myself at first because it was too hard to manage with my current schedule. And I just kept thinking how I could have put in more work and time into it. Then yesterday I had this realization, is like, hey, I actually did 10 videos in 3 months. I shouldn't be this harsh to myself. Sometimes when you take a step back, the whole picture will become clearer. And right now, my content strategy is still all over the place. I don't really know what to focus on. And I think right now, I'm still enjoying the vlogs the most. But like for the next 3 months, I'm just gonna keep focusing on my craft first. If you get the basics right, everything will come along. I don't really want to set a goal for subscribers because that is not something within my control. Maybe I'll just stick with 1 video a week, and hopefully this time will work out.
Gooey, gooey, gooey.
Is that a good thing?
Man.
It's so nice to be walking in Darling Harbour on a Tuesday.
No people, nice weather.
Super lucky that the weather's good today.
Finally.
We've booked to do a sailing experience today, so it's happening in Darling Harbour. It's our first time doing this, so hopefully this will be fun. Actually, I know nothing about sailing, so I don't really know what to expect. We'll see how we go. Yeah. Those flags are different states, maybe? But yeah, don't quote me on that. Yeah, like a red flag. That's what I used to work at like 10 years ago. Yeah, Yeah, it's so much nicer now. Like you see all these people running. Yeah. Okay, wow, this is very bumpy. Wow, it's all the same. You've never been this close to a seagull.
Probably. So nice.
Yeah. The breeze is perfect for it, but not too hot or too cold.
Yeah. Look on the other side.
On the other side.
Ta-da! That's the usual photo spot that we go.
Where are you pointing to?
Yeah.
Mrs. Macquarie chat?
Yeah.
Are there people there? I can't even see it.
Very many people over there. Like there is a line of people on the second floor and
You sure there aren't rooms?
oh my god. Zoom in.
You can see there's so many people over there now.
But when you get more and more weight, you want to reduce your sail area or you get overpowered.
You got that Moana hair going on.
Oh, that's so cute. That's your Moana type today. So you're in the sea.
Yeah.
And then it's my hair.
Ver el cielo cambiar de color, sentir el aroma de una flor.
How did you find the experience?
Time passed really fast.
Yeah.
Like it flies.
Like we went on an hour and a half, but it felt like
I got 50 minutes.
no, more like
25.
I felt like an hour. It went by pretty quickly. Yeah. What do you want? Rice.
So many rice left.
You can just go home and cook it yourself.
Uh-huh.
How would you rate out of 10?
6.5.
No spoiler, but it was a 5 for me.
Wow.